This video, we're going to round to the indicated place value here. These are just regular rounding rules as you're used to. Since we're rounding to the nearest whole number, that's here. We're looking at the next digit after that to tell us whether we're going to round down or round up. If it is a 5 or greater, we're going to round this digit that's underlined here up. If it is a 4 or less, we're going to just forget about that. The number is closer to 14.3 is closer to 14 than it is to 15. So we're going to round down to 14. Round to the nearest 10. So the nearest 10 is there. So we're looking at the 2 and we're going to round down to 10. 12 is closer to 10 than it is to 20. Round to the nearest whole number. So 713.8 is closer to 714 than it is to 713. Round to the nearest 100. So 100 is there. So 470 is closer to 500 than it is to 400. Round to the nearest 10th. So things with the TH at the end of them are decimal things. So 10th. So we're going to look at the hundredths here. That 8 is going to round up to 1.4, 1 4/10. Round to the nearest 10th again. So look at the tenths. Now look at the hundredths that are after it. That 6 is going to make me round up to 14 4/10. Round to the nearest 10th again. And that 6 is going to round that 3 up to 1 4/10. Round to the nearest hundredth. So that 8 thousandths is going to make me round up to 15 hundredths, 1 15 hundredths. Round to the nearest hundredth. Hundredths is there. That 4 is not greater than 5, so we're going to round down to 9 82 hundredths. Round to the nearest hundredth. So 3 is in the hundredth spot here. That 8 is going to make me round up, so that's 12 84 hundredths. Round to the nearest thousandth. So the 8 is in the thousandth spot now. That 1 is going to make me round down, so that's 1 618 thousandths. Round to the nearest thousandth again. So that 4 is in the thousandth spot there. The 6 is going to make me round up. That's 85 915 thousandths. Round to the nearest thousandth again. 6 is in the thousandth spot this time, and that 4 is going to make me round down. 3 476 thousandths. Round to the nearest 10 thousandths. Tenths, hundredths, thousandths, 10 thousandths is where the 7 is right there. The 9 is going to make me round up, so 18 8,848 ten thousandths. That's it for this video. Next time we'll come back and talk about significant figures.